comparison between CPU and GPU for object detection. So I got Intel i5 6th gen 3.2 GHz processor, 4 cores, 8 threads. It's really old and it just suck. For GPU I got GTX 1060, 6 GB VRAM. It's MSI. It's old card and mid-range card. So I'm using weights from Yolov3. This weight is trained using YOLO version 3, and I had no idea about object detection until today. Pia told me this, so if you're watching, thank you. So the resolution, input resolution is 320 by 320, and it's trained against Coco dataset, whatever that is. There are 80 different classes. It can identify 80 different objects. Yeah, I think let's try now. Let's try with CPU first. Kind of slow, but it's doing its job, identifying stuff. It's still running, so that's there, like 3 frames per second or something like that. Now let's try with GPU. I think you can hear my PC is crying in the background. Now with CUDA, so I had to compile OpenCV with CUDA flag, and it took like 4 hours to compile, build the project. Now let's try. Clearly it's smooth compared to CPU. Not as fast as the original the original video, but doing a pretty good job and identifying stuff. So I'm gonna stop the video here. Kind of interesting. It's identifying people who are passing by and vehicles and stuff, and it identified the chair. So cool. So this is it. Thanks for watching.